Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this potato today. It's kind of a dry fry. It's got some beautiful spices in it. The main ingredient of this, apart from potatoes obviously, is methi. Delicious stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one. Now I've got here a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm just melting that down. The heat is on above medium. Let me do that, then I'll be back. So that's just melted down there. When I said a tablespoon, it's actually a heaped tablespoon. We're going to start off by just dropping in 4 green cardamom and then our potatoes. You can see that I've cut our potatoes, 2 large potatoes, so there's about 4 or 5 cups there, and cut it into nice chunky pieces. In they go. So we're going to fry these around for about 4 to 5 minutes. So these potatoes are still very hard, but a little bit of colour on them starting to come there, and they're on their way. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of onion and salt, and again we're going to go for about another 5 minutes or so, stirring often. Little browning on the onion. And what we're doing here is we're adding stuff as the potatoes cook. We need them to be nice and tender, don't we? Okay, we're going to go for some fresh chili now. I've got that amount and I've slit it down the middle. It's entirely up to you how much you want to put in. You can add less or more depending on your taste. And then here I've got ginger garlic paste, which is a tablespoon. And again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so, frying this around. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Keep it moving. Great. Next up, we're going to add some powders. So a teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Use a curry powder if you want, but you know that I always use these 4. Let's call that the big 4. Look at that, getting some really beautiful flavors there, and colors obviously. We're now going to add a little bit of water, just a tiny amount, just to help those potatoes on their way and to stop the spices from burning. If you burn your spices, they become very bitter and not very good. Okay. So stay on this heat again. Let's go for about another 4 minutes or so. That will evaporate out slightly. So that tiny amount of water's just pretty much gone now. Just helped, like I say, cook the potatoes and keep our spices from burning. They're nice and soft now. Now here's the magic for this one. This is methi. Methi is fenugreek leaves. What you do is you grab it, you rub it in your hand like that and break it down. Turn off the heat, give it a mix, and you've done it. All right, and there you have it. Really, really simple, really, really beautiful. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.